Ever wondered how to earn $1 million online? It might sound like a far-fetched dream, but it's more achievable than you may think. With the right tools, knowledge, and a sprinkle of determination, you can turn this dream into a reality. The first step is to identify your niche. This is the cornerstone of your online business, the area of expertise or interest that you'll be focusing on. It could be anything from fitness coaching, fashion blogging, or digital marketing, to creating handmade crafts or offering professional services. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, but also something that has a market demand. The second step is to validate your business idea. You might think your idea is great, but it's crucial to make sure others think so too. Start by conducting market research. Find out who your potential customers are, what they need, and if they are willing to pay for your product or service. Next, it's time to create your online presence. This usually starts with a website. Your website is your online storefront, the first impression potential customers have of your business. It needs to be professional, user-friendly, and accurately represent your brand. Once your website is up and running, the fourth step is to generate traffic. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. The goal is to attract as many potential customers as possible and convert them into paying customers. The fifth step is monetization. This is where you start making money. There are several ways to monetize your online business, including selling products or services, affiliate marketing, online courses, or advertising. Choose the method that best suits your business model. The final step is to scale your business. This involves improving and expanding your business to increase profits. It could mean adding new products or services, expanding into new markets, or improving your marketing strategies. To summarize, first, identify your niche. Find something you're passionate about that also has market demand. Second, validate your business idea. Conduct market research to ensure there's a need for your product or service. Third, create your online presence. This usually involves building a professional, user-friendly website. Fourth, generate traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising to attract potential customers. Fifth, monetize your business. Choose the best method for your business model, whether it's selling products or services, affiliate marketing, online courses, or advertising. Finally, scale your business. Expand and improve your business to increase profits. Remember, starting an online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and patience. But with the right mindset and approach, it's entirely possible to earn $1 million online. Start today, and who knows where you'll be tomorrow.